This video shows the view from the posterior portal with the patient in the beach chair position. The anterior labrum is mobilized from the glenoid. An arthroscopic rasp and motorized shaver are then used to decorticate the anterior glenoid neck to promote healing. A suture passer loaded with 1/0 PDS is used to penetrate the detached labrum, and a significant length of suture is passed into the joint. The suture passer is then carefully removed to ensure that the leading edge of the suture remains through the labrum and within the joint. With the tail end of the PDS suture outside the single portal and completely unloaded from the suture passer, the tail end is tied to a fiber wire with a half-hitch knot. An arthroscopic grasper is inserted through the single portal to retrieve the leading edge of the PDS suture slowly out of the joint, pulling the fiber wire in tow such that the fiber wire eventually passes through the labrum and with both ends out of the single portal. A drill hole is created on the glenoid surface 1 to 2 mm from the glenoid rim. Both ends of the fiber wire are then passed through the distal ring of the push lock anchor, which is then inserted and tapped into the drill hole to the desired depth. The fiber wire is now cut with arthroscopic scissors and additional anchors are placed as necessary.